Wall Street is quietly moving trillions of dollars into a system they spent the last 10 years trying to destroy. While retail investors were distracted by the daily price swings of Bitcoin, the largest financial institutions on the planet have been secretly rebuilding the entire plumbing of the global economy. I am talking about BlackRock, JPMorgan, and Citi. They are executing a structural takeover that is projected to move $30 trillion over the next decade. If you do not understand what they are building right now, you are going to be left behind in the old financial system. Today, I am going to show you exactly what real-world asset tokenization is, why the biggest banks are obsessed with it, and how it is going to completely change the way you invest, borrow, and build wealth. For decades, the stock market and the banking sector have run on outdated technology. When you buy a stock, a bond, or a piece of real estate, it takes days for the transaction to actually settle. There are clearinghouses, brokers, and middlemen taking a cut at every single step. It is slow, it is expensive, and it is highly inefficient. But a massive shift just happened. BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, recently launched a fund called BUIDL. It is a tokenized treasury fund. What does that mean? It means they took traditional United States treasury bills and put them directly onto a blockchain. Almost overnight, it attracted billions of dollars in assets. JP Morgan did the exact same thing with their Connexes platform, which is now settling billions of dollars in transactions every single day. Here is why this is revolutionary. When an asset is tokenized, it becomes a programmable piece of software. It does not take 2 days to settle a trade anymore. It takes 2 seconds. You do not have to wait for the stock market to open on Monday morning at 9:30. These assets trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. This completely changes the concept of capital efficiency. Imagine you own a house and you want to take out a loan against the equity to start a business. In the traditional system, that requires weeks of paperwork, appraisals, and massive banking fees. In a tokenized system, your real estate equity is represented by a digital token. You can instantly pledge that token as collateral into a smart contract and receive a loan in seconds with zero middlemen. This is not some futuristic concept. It is happening right now. Financial institutions are realizing that if they do not adopt this technology, they will become obsolete. High interest rates have made the cost of capital incredibly expensive, which means banks can no longer afford to have billions of dollars tied up in transit for days at a time. They need instant settlement. So, what does this mean for you as an individual investor? First, it means the democratization of private markets. Historically, the best investments, commercial real estate, private equity, high-yield credit, were locked behind closed doors, available only to billionaires and massive hedge funds. Tokenization allows these assets to be split into millions of tiny fractions. Very soon, you will be able to buy a $50 fraction of a commercial skyscraper in Manhattan, or a piece of a private credit portfolio, right from your phone, with the same ease that you buy a share of an index fund today. Second, it means the total convergence of cash and investments. Right now, the money in your checking account loses value to inflation every day, while the money in your brokerage account is locked up in stocks. With tokenized assets, you could hold your entire net worth in a yield-bearing treasury token that pays you 5% a year and simply swipe a debit card at the grocery store. The exact fraction of that token needed to pay for your groceries would be instantly sold and settled in the background. Wall Street does not want to talk about this publicly yet because they are still accumulating their positions and building the infrastructure. But the writing is on the wall. The migration to blockchain rails is no longer a speculative theory. It is a mathematical certainty. The $30 trillion wealth transfer has already begun, and the investors who position themselves now will be the ones who profit the most.